Hikoki demolition hammer. Hammer's coming back into the handle, so she's losing power on the strike. That's coming back into the handle for some reason. Full of dirt on here too, so I'll need a clean. Maybe what's causing the problem with it. Piston's up here, then you got a hammer, your striker down that end. The hammer itself is now bottomed out on the piston, so as the piston goes back and forth there's meant to be an air cushion between the two. Now the piston and the striker are touching. The piston and the hammer are touching, sorry. Whenever the piston moves back and forward, it's actually taking the hammer with it. So it's just throwing the width back and forth. So when they need to be separated, I'll put extra grease put on. Any dirt or debris that could have got on and jammed anything up has to be cleaned out. And there's a broken bolt down here as well. That'll need to be changed. Straighten that out a wee bit too. Obviously it's not meant to be that shape. Expensive part to replace as well, so try to salvage it. Bone dry. That's all bone dry. You can see the dirt's been getting on. But she's still sealed. And they're not broken. So we might get away with a washout and a regrease. Should be a good solid air cushion between these. As you can see, that's well stuck on there. Right. It's not grease inside, it's just become old and hard, and it's no longer working its way around the hammer. Right, give that all a good wash. Now, seeing as we have her apart, just change these O-rings as well. Keep her hammering right. here. One Hikoki H65sd3 hammering like she should.